Hi guys, this is Miss Wheeler and today we have got a super cute car. So this is 1972 Fiat 500L. So this car is owned by a family in Chattisgarh. Owner wouldn't like to disclose their name, but this car has been in their family since they imported it. So when this car came to Kapoor Vintage Cars in Jaipur, it was in a very bad condition. It took them 1.5 years to restore it and you can see the car now. So I would like to drive it and take a tour in the old city. Come with me.
The Italian post-war driving populace was clamoring for affordable city cars to use around town. And Fiat arrived on the scene just in time with the new 500 series cars, which were unveiled on July 4th, 1957. Throughout the life of this little car, small advancements were regularly built into new versions. Fiat sold nearly 4 million 500s while it was still in production until 1975, and it remains one of the icons of post-war Italy today. The 500 was already a huge success on the market, and Fiat didn't know what to do to generate more money from it. As a result, it envisioned a luxury version called 500L. It was introduced in 1968 with the L signifying the Lusso package, which included a slight upgrade in sound deadening materials as well as aesthetic changes such as carpeting and trim. The car is 2.97 meters long and was initially powered by a 479cc two-cylinder air-cooled engine. The small Fiat 500s are cherished by people who remember them as their first cars and have been wanted by celebrities all around the world. Despite the inexpensive purchase price, they were quite well constructed and assembled.
So when we received this car, it was in a very bad shape. We had to call a crane to lift the body and actually place it inside our workshop. Fortunately, we had another one of these Fiat 500s that we could use as a template to reconstruct the whole body. A year and a half later, and we have this car ready, but it still has a lot of mechanical work that needs to be done. It still has a lot of tuning that needs to be done, but I'm pretty confident that we can complete it within a week and send it to its owner.
Microcars have earned their place in the collector car industry, and as more people discover the simple and cost-effective enjoyment these tiny cars provide, their prices are bound to move up.
So I really love driving this car. I hope you guys like the video. Let me know in the comments below. And before you leave, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next video.